The second part of assignment 46, vertical shift. So let me cut and paste vertical shift, example 6, and I get the graph paper here. Now, previous question, we didn't get the vertical shift here. So one thing you have to do is you have to have green line shifted to up to, because it's right here. So this arm's a green line. Okay. So from here, you have to consider cosine graph, but the amplitude is amplitude is 3. Remember, amplitude is always positive. And midline is y equal 2. Okay. Now period is, you have to divide, this is, so b equal, the coefficient of x is 2. So you have to plug in this number to the period. So period is 2 pi divided by b. Evaluate b equal 2, right? So if you plug in b equal 2 to this equation, period is going to be 2 pi over 2. 2 pi over 2, which is pi. Now, within pi, you have to have a 1 cycle. Oh, sorry. Okay. Within pi, you have to have 1 cycle. So what's the value when you plug in x cancels out, which is the cosine value is if it's cosine 0, our appearance function is 1. And you have to multiply 3, which is 3, right? And you have to add 2. So if you start from 0, x equals 0, and 5. So that's might be max value. Okay, so then make it a little smaller like this so you can see 0 and 5. So let me type. It's a little out of the range, so I use a red color. So let's assume there's 1 point here. Okay, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. It's going to be right here. Within pi, it's going to be come back to this point, right? So in that case, I have to indicate each one of them is a different. X value is going to be, let me make it to quarter pi, okay? So I slice pi for 4 times. So first number is quarter pi. And okay, the second number is going to be quarter 2 pi over 4, which is half, right? So this is going to be half there. And now it's 3/4. 3 pi over 4, right? And last number is pi. So that's what I divide by pi divided by 4 way. Okay. Now, when you hit this you have to hit the red color to come back to this 5 right here. Second number goes to appearance function 0, but it's shifted to 2, so it must be here and 2. Okay? So vibration is, the amplitude is 1, 2, 3. So it has to go 1, 2, 3 down. So 1, 2, 3. So it must be here. Go back here and return here. So this is one cycle. So we call one period. I'm sorry, I can't write down that easily. It's going to be like this. So now I will cut and paste here. Oh, to a little bit down, and I will write down the coordinates. So 0 and 5 is okay, right? Next number is quarter and 2. Comma 2. Parenthesis. The next number is hit the minimum, which is half and -1. Okay? And go back to the midline, which is 2. So 2. Okay, last number is pi and hit the max, which is 5. Okay, this is how you do it. So if you can do this, you can graph it. So I would group and cut and paste to answer key, and let's compare answer key. Where's the answer key for example 6 right here? So graph is this, we just graph, and so this is okay, it's okay, okay, 3/4 and 2 and pi over 5. Okay, so this is the indication you get, and this is the dark one is the red one I wrote, and the period is pi. Okay, this is how we do it. If you have any question, please stop by, and I will play a music by Billie Holiday today. It's the name of the piece is called God Bless the Child. nice weekend.